There's not a fuel shutoff on this engine. So what I did last fall, I pinched off the fuel line and ran this out. That way the gas wasn't sitting in the engine and the carburetor. If your gas sits in the carb over the winter, you might have some problems starting it up for the first time. So I always like to do that. Now we're gonna go ahead and change the fuel filter. So here's my replacement filter. One thing to make sure, these are directional. So the arrow has to go the direction of the fuel. So my gas tank is up here. The gas flows through this hose to the engine. So I gotta make sure that's pointed in this direction. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna disconnect the hose up here first and drain this out. You can see we got a little bit of fuel right here. I'm just taking a pair of pliers, loosening the hose clamp and sliding it down. The fuel hose should just then pull off. Now this gas can here, this is bad gas. So I'm not gonna use this again because this has kind of sat here. It's probably dirty, but we're gonna go ahead and dump the rest of that out. And then there's places you can take bad gas because it has to be properly disposed of. If the gas is under 2 months old, you can probably just dump it into a gas can and reuse it. You can see I had some gas splash out on me right there. And you can see I got a little bit on my hands. So just be very careful when you're doing this. We'll just let that drain out. And then I pinched off the main line here so the gas in the tank isn't gonna come through. We'll go ahead and get the remaining out. But this can be fairly dangerous, so make sure, I have glasses on. If you don't have glasses, you wanna wear some safety glasses. But just be careful because this can splash out on you. And then we'll take our filter and we'll double check the arrow is going in the right direction. Go ahead and get that on. We're gonna get our fuel lines on tight and then we can tighten up the hose clamps. Get that right on. I actually grabbed a bigger channel lock because the other one was too small. Okay. And just kind of pull on these a little bit. Make sure you're nice and snug. And then we'll put the hose back in the little clasps here. All right, now we got our new fuel filter on, and this will keep our fuel running properly.